Hey guys, I'm Charlotte Harper, and I'm going to go live here really quick to talk about some code that I'm writing. So I'm just working on adding this new field, speech only, that what I'm going to do with it is I'm going to configure my app so it will only record and only store the video that has a transcript. So I'm going to call this field require speech for recording. And that's going to be speech only. Okay, so if the recording is speech only, I have this in the models. So I'm going to go to nano, and it's just a default false. Nano, and this is going to be, this will just go right to the celery. And actually, I should get the video frame and then just sort the frame. That'd be the best way to do it. So I'm going to edit the models again, and I'm actually going to copy this speech only attribute. And I'm going to put it up in the frame. So that's just the frame of video. So we can sort frames by that. And then I'll nano live/consumers, and I'm going to have to edit the celery too. When I'm updating the camera, the frame is going to have speech only equals camera.speech only. And that's easy. And I'm already passing a whole bunch of things from the camera here. So then we go to nano live slash, or actually we're going to edit the celery. So that's my project name, celery. And then we'll go ahead and find where we're processing the video. That's right here. It's the URL. And so we're converting it. And then I guess we'll say, oops, if camera dot speech only frame dot frame dot path is the path of the frames frame, which is the video. So that's the video path. And I guess what we want to do is just so maybe we don't want to pass it there. We don't want to pass speech only directly from the camera. We want to check if it actually is that, and then it'll just be on. So if frame, and we'll just filter that in the where we're concatenating the recording. So let me just do that to make sure it looks right. So this is the recording, and process equals false recording.save. So in concat recording path embed logo camera, we'll just pass the camera in there. And then we'll just okay, we'll write that. So nano live/concat, and then we'll just do camera. And we already had the camera here, but now we don't need that query because we have it there, so we don't need to make so many queries. But anyway, oops. So okay, we're gonna check if frame. Okay, so for frame, we can just do video frame dot objects or actually, we're going to do recording, or no, actually, if camera dot only speech only, then we're going to do recording dot frames dot filter speech, and actually we'll call this contains speech equals true, false. Contains speech equals false, dot delete. Okay, easy. And if the recording doesn't contain any speech, then we're going to delete it. So if camera.speech only contains speech, and just to make this clear, I'm using contains speech in the video frame. Oops. And then, so I'm processing the video in the celery, and I think that's where I want to do it. That's where I want to check. So we're going to do, that's where I want to check if there's speech in the recording. So it'd be easiest to do that just right here. If camera.speech on, well, actually, let's just always do it. I don't think it's very expensive. So basically, what we're going to do is get the transcript from live.trans. I think it's live.transcript. Import get transcript. I'm just going to Control C to see what line this is. We're on about like 230. And we're going to say if camera.speech only, and I guess we'll just say contains speech as a default true, because we want to upload the video by default. So I'll fix that. But anyway, if camera.speech only, okay, and then camera, well, actually, frame dot contains speech equals true if len get transcript greater than 0. If len get transcript frame.path is greater than 0, and then okay, else false. Frame, okay, and then I don't need to save the frame. I'll just say contains speech equals true, and I do have a frame.path, so that's easy. Let me just check. I'm on about to line 230. Now live/transcript. Yes, I do have get transcript for an MP4 file. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna nano live/consumers, and right down here I'm actually passing this to the video frame.